So a lot of questions that I get on my YouTube channel is, Alex, what can you get for under $1 million? And today I found a really nice condo here in Carmel Valley. It's actually right behind me. So let me show you what you can get in sunny San Diego. It's not sunny today, but what you can get for under $1 million. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, and right there is the rec center. With that being said, let's go check out the unit. But before we check out the unit, look at this. This is the rec center. It's pretty cute, especially on a rainy day. You got the pool, and then you got the hot tub over here. And I think they might have something else inside. This is my first time being on this specific community. But let's go see the unit. So as we walk into the property, the floors new?
No.
Yeah, everything is new in this unit. This is beautiful. And then you have the balcony right there, which I'm not gonna go because it's raining today. It's really nice. No popcorn ceiling. You got some art on the wall. So we walk into the first bedroom. Plenty of space for a bedroom, and you have light coming in throughout. From what I know, they put about 150 to almost 200,000 on this property. And in Carmel Valley, it's not very typical to have these types of appliances. So this is really nice. Everything is white, clean. You can see the rec center right there, which is really nice. Okay. Let's go see the second bedroom. And it has 3 bedrooms overall, just over 1,000 square feet. No popcorn ceiling, which is really nice. Got the closet in here too. So plenty of space for your closet. I really like that both bedrooms have some light coming in. And of course, because it's painted in white, and then it just feels more open. Not too many cars are driving by. Some paint on the floor. I don't think this is hardwood. Let's keep on going. Let's see look at this. So cute. Turn on the light maybe? Yeah. So much better. The floors are custom too. This was not a fix and flip. So there was a tenant living in here. Very nice. I love these boxes in here. You just put the shampoo and your stuff in here. Very nice. So you can tell they put some money into it. The cabinets. What do you guys think? Let's keep on going. Got the AC here. What's this? More closet. Very cute. An area here, and then you have the washer and dryer. And this is the master bedroom. So again, you're facing the rec center, which is also very nice. Walking distance, they got a pool over there and a hot tub. Walking in, I really love, oh, that's so cute. Look at this. I really like how they did the color and just overall the design. The floors look very clean, and also the cabinets here too. Let's turn this on too. I like the lights. It's enough for a family of, I would say, 3. You have a closet here. And then of course you have an attractive person right here. So, hello. And then you have the bathroom with the shower. Do you guys like this color? Pretty cool. You got the little box over there. Yeah. So that is the master. So this was the property here in Carmel Valley. We are walking distance to One Paseo, and One Paseo is a very nice area where you can go shopping. There's multiple great restaurants, and then Del Mar is here, Solana Beach is nearby. You can go biking from here all the way to the beach. So location wise, it's amazing. And with that being said, if you are looking to buy or sell here in sunny San Diego, which as you can see, it's not very sunny today. It's actually rain all day. I'm happy to help you. My name is Alex and I work with Realty. and I'm gonna leave all my information down in the description of this video. Feel free to call, text, email me. I'm here to help. Let's find you a new home. До свидания.